So the next topic that we'll be discussing is the internet marketing. As you will come to know by listening to the word itself, internet marketing means doing all the marketing activities over the internet. Like how we saw the different banking activities doing on the internet is called as internet banking. Doing all the marketing activities on the internet is called as internet marketing. Internet marketing, or it is also called as digital marketing. It is basically, the definition is that internet marketing is the process of promoting a brand, a product or a service over the internet. That is, whatever brand you have, whatever the product you have, that product you are trying to make more people get to know that product. You want more people to get to know about your product. You want more people to buy your product. You want more people to tell to others regarding benefits of your product. That you are doing by using online platform. So why you are using online platform? Why you are not using the offline platform? There are many benefits of internet marketing over the traditional or offline marketing, that is physical marketing. That is, first one is it is flexible. That is, supposing you are doing any offline marketing, that is marketing without using the internet. The different activities what you can do offline are like you can put up the banners, you can give the advertisement in television, you can give the advertisement in radio, you can give the advertisement in newspapers. These all things are not so much flexible. For example, if you are putting the banner, for any person to see your banner, he has to go to the place where your banner is being put, or the people who surrounding the area where you have put the banner, only those people will come to know about your product. If you are doing advertising on television, only people who are seeing the television will know about your product. If you are doing advertisement on newspaper, only the people who are reading the newspaper will be knowing about your product. Whereas in the online marketing, wherever person may be, there only he can see your advertisement on the internet. He can see your advertisement on the mobile phone. Whichever website he is seeing, in that website he can see your advertisement. So it is very flexible. There is no any physical place, limitation of physical place for the advertisement in the internet. Wherever the person may be in this world, if you are targeting your online marketing properly, then you can reach that person, or that person will be able to see your advertisement properly. Then second point is, it is easy to do the marketing. If you are using offline marketing, you have many problems, such as you have to approach the designer, you have to approach the banner printing person, you have to approach the person who will fix the banner, you have to take the government permission for fixing the banner. Or if you are providing advertisement in newspaper, you have to approach the newspaper, you have to give them the your advertisement. That advertisement has to be designed, that advertisement has to be printed, published. These all things are there. But in online marketing, what will happen, you can just type your product and you can just upload your photo of your product, then people will come to know about your product. There is no need of any designing, there is no any requirement of any printing, publishing. Nothing is required, just your product photo. If photo is also not there, you can just write the description on the online. That is on social media websites. You can write it on the blogs, you can write it in an email, you can write it on any websites. In this way you can promote your product very easily. It is very cost effective. Cost effective means it is not so much expensive as in the offline method. In this online marketing, you just need one internet connection, and you should have different platforms to promote your product. The different platforms where you can promote your products are social media websites, your blogs, your website, your product website, and different websites where you can promote your product. And the online marketing, you can very in a cheap manner you can promote your product. Third one is fourth one is large reach of audience. That is, there is no any limitation to reaching your customers. Wherever your customers be in this world, you can communicate with them without much expenditure. It will take same amount of money will be expenditure to reaching the person nearby you and reaching the person who is in the outside the country, because in internet there is no any physical distance. Whoever is online, he will be able to see your advertisement. That is large, you can reach large number of audience by using online method. That is, supposing you create your website and you communicate to the people that you have created your website, then wherever that person may be, he might be in London, he might be in US, he might be in China, he might be in the Dubai. All people, if they type your website, they can see your product, they can understand your products. Next benefit is, it is two-way communication. It is one of the most important advantage of the online marketing. That is, it is a two-way process. Supposing you do any advertisement, promote your product online. For example, you promote a product on Facebook, then the people or the customer who have used your product, they can write their review in the comments, they can mention it in the comments. Then you will understand that what customers are feeling about your products. You can, according to that, you can improve your product, you can change your product price, you can change your products design, you can change your product taste. Like that, it is a two-way communication. Whenever you do the online promotion, the customers can easily communicate back to you their feelings towards your product. Then one more benefit is the word of mouth. Word of mouth means one customer telling to others to use your product. That is called as word of mouth. In online marketing, word of mouth can be easily done. That is, if any customer is happy with your product and if he shares his experience on the internet, then whoever people are following him, whoever people are in contact with him on the internet, such as Facebook, his Facebook friends, his Instagram followers, all those people can see that he has used your product and he is very happy with using your product. Then those people will also be interested in purchasing your product. So the word of mouth is easily spread through the online marketing. These are the benefits of there are many benefits. These are some of the important benefits of using internet marketing. Now we will see what is the scope of internet marketing. That is, what are different areas in which the internet marketing can be applied, and it will be different areas in which the internet marketing can be used. The first scope, these all things you all know it already. It is just to remind you people regarding the different usages. The first benefit of or the area in which you can use the internet marketing is promotion of product and service. Whichever product or service you take, that you can promote by using the internet marketing. Second one is education institution. Like how we are conducting the online classes, the same way you can promote any education institutions. You can make the teaching and learning online, so that the students don't have to come to the classes, or you already know many platforms in which there is online education going on, such as Swayam by the Government of India or Unacademy. These all are apps which are promoting the online education. So education also can be promoted by using the internet marketing. Now third one is government schemes. The government schemes, whichever the schemes the government makes for the people, those also can be promoted by using the internet marketing. Next is healthcare. Different healthcare, you must have heard about the telemedicine. Telemedicine means through video conferencing, the doctor will listen to the problems of the patient, and through online mode only he will suggest the treatment for the patient. The patient, if they are staying in rural areas and they cannot go to city, that time what they can do, they can through online they can consult the doctors and get the treatment. There are many web applications like Practo Practo is an application in which you can find different doctors from all over the country and you can consult them and you can get your treatment done. Next one is entertainment, such as booking your film tickets through Book My Show in different multiplexes, or watching movies and web series online such as Netflix, Amazon Prime, Netflix. There are so many different applications through which you can find the entertainment, or most widely used YouTube, on which you are now listening to this lecture. By using these platforms, you can get the entertainment through internet marketing. Then next one is through YouTube you can show your talent, or not only YouTube, you can create your own website through which you can show your talent, such as singing, painting, drawing, cooking, or any of the talent you have any good in any subjects. You can do the teaching online. You can have any skills, you can show your skills online. Then next one is banking. As you have seen, all the banking activities you can do online. Then next one is research. If you are doing any research on any particular topic and you want more information regarding that topic, then you can find the information online. You can approach the experts online by contacting them. You can for example, if you are doing a research on customer satisfaction of for example, take any product of Samsung mobile phone, then through internet you can find the Samsung users and you can take their feedback, whether they are satisfied or no. Then communications can be done online, such as through video conferencing. You can communicate with the other person by seeing them. If you are not able to meet them, like how nowadays you all are making video calls, you all are using Zoom app to speak with your friends. That is all because of the internet marketing. Now next one is recruitment can also be done online. That is, there are websites such as LinkedIn. There are websites such as LinkedIn, and many other websites are there, such as LinkedIn, monsterjobs.com. Then there is Times Job. Like this, various websites are there through which you can recruit the employees, or you can find the employment, you can find the job, a suitable job, whichever is you want to join that job. You can find it in these websites and you can apply for that jobs. Apart from this, there are other benefits of internet marketing, such as you can do online shopping, whichever products you want. You can do travel and tourism. You can find the different tourist spots online. You can see which tourist spot is online is more beautiful to visit, what is the distance and how to travel. All such information you can come to know by using the internet marketing. Then some of the other benefits are B2B. For B2B business, that is business to business. Business to business means businesses will do the business with other business, such as purchasing of raw materials. Raw materials are purchased by manufacturing plants. So the manufacturing plants, they can find different raw material suppliers online by internet marketing. Business to consumer, the Amazon, Flipkart, these all are examples of business to consumer. Then there is one more concept called as consumer to consumer. Best example is that OLX. In this OLX, what will happen? Consumer will upload their products which they don't want, or which they want to sell. Consumer will upload their products on the OLX website. Some other consumer will buy it on the OLX from the person who has uploaded it. So what is happening? Consumer is uploading, another consumer is purchasing. So it is consumer to consumer business. such type of business can happen through internet marketing. These are some of the scope or areas of internet marketing. Let's see once again, that is, first one is promotion of product and services, promotion of education, promotion of government schemes, promotion of healthcare, promotion of entertainment, showcasing one's talent, promotion of banking activities, facilitating the research, enabling the communication, enabling the recruitment process, that is jobs, getting the jobs, giving the jobs and taking the jobs. Next one is locating offline information. Supposing if you are in Delhi, you want to know which is the best restaurant in Delhi, that time what you can do, you can in the internet you can search for the best hotel in Delhi and you can visit that. Then you can do shopping online through internet marketing. Travel and tourism, you can find the best destination to visit, how to visit there and where to stay when you visit there. All this you can do online. Then the B2B businesses can find the suppliers online. Then business to consumer, that is Facebook, that is not Facebook, Amazon, Flipkart, all this, Myntra, all these websites wherein businesses will sell to the customer. Then customer to customer, OLX, websites such as OLX wherein customers can upload whichever things they don't want to use and other customers can purchase it online from them. So these are the scope of online marketing.